Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just recently made a purchase with Fashionphile and I wanted to do an unboxing for the first time. Actually, I purchased a previous bag on Fashionphile. I was happy with the purchase. So I went ahead and made another purchase for my upcoming trip in May. So I received my box on yesterday. So I am just going to, you're actually going to get the first reaction. So it comes in a box like this, sealed. It doesn't have where it's coming from. It just has like a anonymous address and then your address, and you have to sign for the actual product. Okay. So upon opening the box, it's like this, and there's goodies inside. So let's just hop on in. So there's a few like confetti stuff, and then you get a Fashionphile card, and in this card is your receipt and just a little certification card, and then the shop, sell, repeat. And if you don't like the bag, you can always send it back and they will buy it from you for a fraction of the price that you paid for it. And then, oh, they gave a calendar. Nice. So this is the Fashionphile calendar, and oh, I'm gonna hang this up in my office. It just has different items, luxury items that they've previously had. It's really nice. Okay. And a thank you card. And this is letting you know that Fashionphile they are joined with Neiman Marcus, and it says introducing Fashionphile Studios at Neiman Marcus, and you can find a location at this website address below. And you also get a nail file. So here is the bag. It's wrapped, sealed, used. If this, oh, used is the new. So it did not come with a dust bag. So Fashionphile sends you the bag in their own dust bag. Alrighty. So this is the backpack that I purchased. It is a MCM backpack. I was eyeballing this for months, and they marked it down, and I think they marked it down like one more time, and I had to jump on it, and I used the reserve payment. So I put the down payment and then just paid on it month. I think they give you 60 days. Is it 60 days? I believe it's 60 days to pay down on your purchase. So first look, it is, ooh, this is really cute. So it's gold metallic, and then this is like black crushed velvet, and all here, all this around is leather. So let's see, the front portion of the bag. Oh, it does come with an MCM dust bag. Yes. Okay, so this portion right here is satin, and then right here is leather, and it has a pocket. What's inside here? Okay, this is the this is the original tags, and I'm gonna show y'all this price. Do y'all see that price? Hell no. That's all I have to say. And then in this envelope is the 1-year warranty. It's like the authenticity, special care, and maintenance guide. Wow, cool, cool, cool. Happy for that. $2,000. That's a lot. I damn sure wouldn't have paid that much. Okay, back to the bag. So it has an inside pocket, which is pretty deep, and all of this here is satin. Okay, so that's the front portion. And then the second portion of the bag. So they put overwrap in there. Oh, this is decent. Very nice, very nice. So the inside again is satin here. And this has another, wow, really deep pocket on the inside. And it's padded. And then on the back, all of this is leather. And then you have your adjustable straps. This is a really neat bag. And for the price that I paid for it, I would have purchased, if I purchased a backpack from like Coach, I previously purchased a backpack from Coach in the men's section, and it was a little bigger than this, but it was basically the same, a little bit less than this MCM bag. So, and I prefer this this size. This is a perfect size. I'll be able to stuff my camera in here and like small essentials needed. Ooh, and these, oh my gosh, these straps are padded nicely. Wow, these are real. This is leather here. They're all lined. This whole piece is lined with leather. The inner part here, the gold, is leather, and then you have your crushed velvet on top. So, let's see. Once I remove this tag, basically remove the tag, you own the bag, which is fine with me because I am so happy. And also here is the MCM. If you can see that, it's the MCM. Sorry, it has, okay, it's the MCM tagging, and it has the code on the back here. So yeah, ooh, when I tell you I am super excited about using this bag on my trip, you just don't know. So if you have any questions about Fashionphile, I'll do another video showing my Louis Vuitton purse that I purchased from them on reserve, and I love the bag. I've got so many compliments on the bag, and I will leave a link below to Fashionphile where you can click on it and just browse around. They have so many high-end luxury brands, Chanel, Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Hermes, just to name a few. There's so many more. And they do bags, they do jewelry, they do shoes, sunglasses, like keychains, accessories, stuff like that. So yes, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.